Hello children, welcome to the VVPS e-learning class. I am your social studies teacher. My name is Pooja Khanna. Children, I hope you all are fine taking care of yourself and your family from this pandemic by taking proper diet, eating green vegetables, fruits and nuts so that it can improve your immune system and you can fight back with this disease. And also your elders above 18 years maybe get vaccinated so that our India can fight back with this disease. In spite of that, keep wearing masks, wash your hands from sanitizers and maintain social distancing. Children, as you all know, from last many days, we are studying about lesson number 4, the Northern Mountains. In this chapter, we have discussed about the 3 mountain ranges and the states lie in this region, in which we have discussed Jammu and Kashmir. Presently, it is a union territory. Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, and a hill station, Darjeeling. It is in the state West Bengal. Now, children, today we are going to discuss about the northeastern states. They are also known as State of Seven Sisters. Among these northeastern states of Seven Sisters, we are going to discuss 2 states today, that is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Children, if you have any incomplete work, because children are still asking, take photos from your friends who are studying in your class and keep completing your work as your examinations are just approaching. After that, it will be a tough task for you all to complete your work. So please take initiative, complete your work and send me the copies in group for correction. Okay, beta. So now let's move on next state. Children, these northeastern states explanation is not given in your books. So I have prepared a matter for you all so that I can explain it. Northeastern states. In the eastern part of the Himalayan ranges are the northeastern states known as the Seven Sisters. Children, in the eastern part of the Himalayan ranges, we have the northeastern states and they are known as the states of Seven Sisters. Now see the names: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Children, today we are going to discuss Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India. Here, the sunrise is the earliest in the whole country. First of all, children, the sunrise is seen in Arunachal Pradesh. It is earliest in this whole country. Many tribes live in this state. Many tribal people they live. They belong to different tribes. They have their own customs and speak their own languages. You know, tribal people means they have their own customs and they have their own language. They grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. Tribal people, they do farming of rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Now let's see Assam, then we will repeat together. Assam is the biggest state in the northeastern region, means in among state of seven sisters, Assam is the biggest state. It is the leading producer of tea and oil in India. Assam is famous for the production of tea and also oil. Assam is famous for its silk also. People of Assam, they speak Assamese. Dispur is the capital. Bihu is their dance that they perform with pomp and show. Bihu dance festival is celebrated with pomp and joy. Okay, beta. Now I'll show you in Arunachal Pradesh. This is the traditional dress that the men and women they wear. Fagua dance they perform. Bihu is dance festival. Bihu is a dance festival. This is their traditional dress and Fagua dance they perform. Now read once again. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. They speak tribal language as the people of Arunachal Pradesh. They are tribal people. Sunrise of this Arunachal Pradesh is the earliest in the whole country. People they grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. In Assam, it is the biggest state in the northeastern states. It is a leading producer of tea and oil. Assam is famous for its silk. People they speak Assamese. Dispur is the capital. Bihu dance festival is famous, that is celebrated with pomp and show. And Fagua dance people they perform. This is the traditional dress of Assamese people. Bihu is a folk dance of Assam. See, they have shown you Bihu dance. I hope children you have understood little about Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, because in your books nothing is given. So I have given a little bit knowledge about it. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you children. Stay at home, stay safe, keep yourself healthy.